Now I'll talk about a couple of important approaches to analyze reality television. In this regard, I'll just start with the general idea, which is related to research on the discourse of reality TV. Reality TV in general has attracted a lot of research interest. Also, people have investigated various aspects of reality TV from multiple perspectives, especially its discourse. For example, some people have and scholars have focused on the industrial and commercial context of its advent and how it has affected the advertising of various brands or various social or commercial products, and how is it contributing to a change in business strategies connected to TV in general and reality TV in particular. Researchers have also studied how the audience thinks about the factuality of events presented in a reality TV, and what do they think are the things being presented to them and claimed to be real in a reality TV, or how far they think these are real, or they are just being manufactured to entertain a certain kind of audience. So there has been multiple views about the factuality of these events, and there has been many studies on this also. Other researchers have also talked about the exploitative dimension of reality TV, how value can be extracted from the commodification of surveillance, how the so-called claim of showing real life uh, by keeping an eye on the people, by keeping a camera on the people and putting them under surveillance, what kind of this commodification attract, and what audience is being amused or entertained by this, and what kind of commercial gains are generally associated with this. So the exploitative dimension of reality TV has also been investigated in some kind of detail. There has been a number of studies focusing on particular programs, and they have been published in various journals. You can see a couple of examples given on your screen. Then there have been journals who have dedicated their special issues to various analysis based on reality TV. For example, some popular programs such as Big Brother have been investigated from various perspectives. Then we have genres in reality TVs like makeover programs. There have been issues of journals associated with makeover programs, and then we also have certain theme oriented of issues of channels which relate to reality TV. For example, race and reality TV, then gender and reality TV. These also have been analyzed and published in various journals. However, there can be some more aspects to be analyzed, and according to uh, uh, Listinsky, there could be two important theoretical contributions as well as which can later on be turned into practical concerns and areas of research which needs to be included in the research based on various discourse aspects of reality TV. Listinsky argues that the first should, as based on Foucault's theorizing of power and government or governmentality, uh, he sees reality TV as a cultural technology, which is used to transform people, which is claimed to be used to transform people in becoming better citizens, good citizens, and some models of good citizens are presented in front of people participating in a certain reality show, and all simultaneously in front of audience also, and they are assumed to follow them. And similarly, the people who were not that so good participants, they are given a chance to transform themselves into their better, happier versions. And this transformation is shown on camera so that people can take their lessons. So this is a kind of cultural technology, a way to share and transform cultural knowledge. And in such projections, people are expected to become more open-minded, flexible, and prepared to collaborate with others, and which can have its political or socially biased element also. Because when while fostering good self-enterprising citizens, the researchers have argued that some reality TVs project neoliberal policies. For example, the mechanism for individualization, how to assert your individuality even at the cost of some important collective social issues and social projections. And the other aspect which the same researcher thinks should be an important part of future research on reality TV is that how it can legitimize class differences. There has been some debate, and maybe we find some practical studies based on race and race divisions in a society and reality TV also, but uh, there is more work needed in this domain. Usually in reality shows, it has been observed that one class or group of people is shown as superior to others, and in this way, that group is benefited. Group can benefit by excluding others. So it excludes others at the cost of the advantages of that particular group. Usually, the food habits and the products which are preferred by an elite class are shown in some kind of reality shows, which shows that that the projection of elite class in a society is given preference at the cost of other classes in the society. However, to sum up, we can argue that there is more research needed in on various aspects of reality TV.